As consumers, I think the number one thing that we fear as we purchase a product or go through the sales process is the fear of being let down, the fear of being ripped off, whether it be on the experience, whether it be on the product itself, or on price. As a mortgage professional, I see this all too often. There's not a week that goes by that I don't get a phone call from a real estate professional or a consumer that found me online that's asking me to verify some information. They were promised one thing, and now that they've begun the process, they're getting something that they weren't expecting. I think that is unacceptable. And what I want to do over the next minute or two is I want to share some behind the scenes information that will arm you, the consumer, with the information to not only get a competitive interest rate, but to make sure that you're getting an accurate interest rate quote. I read a study from Fannie Mae, the number one insurer of mortgages in this country. In 2016, they surveyed thousands of home buyers, and 68% gave their mortgage experience a subpar rating. That too is unacceptable. It was attributed to two factors. One was lack of communication, and number two was bait and switch. They didn't get what they expected. They were told one thing and got the other. My name is Dan Keller, mortgage advisor and branch manager at Guild Mortgage. We help anywhere between 15 and 30 families a month. And I can tell you without a doubt, if you were to go to my Yelp page or my Zillow page, you're going to see a lot of 5-star reviews. But more specifically, if you were to go to Zillow actually asks the consumer to rate the experience within the experience. And as it relates to their rate and their interest rate, and their fees, they have to rate whether it was above expected, as expected, or below. And 100% of the time with my clients, you can verify this for yourself, the interest rate quote and fees were as expected or below. I tell you this not to brag. I tell you this so that I can earn your trust and credibility as I wrap up this segment on how to get an accurate and competitive rate quote. You need to understand as a consumer, there are over 30 factors that go into a rate quote. That is a lot. And that means there are a lot of moving parts. Not to defend the people that are getting bait and switched, if you will, but you need to understand it's more important than ever that you're working with a professional that understands those 30 plus factors, but knows how to navigate you through those to make sure that the accuracy of what they're telling you holds true. I can tell you this, out of those 30 factors, I want to focus on the top 4. Those will make the greatest impact. Number one is credit score. A 760 credit score or higher will help put you in a position to get a competitive rate. Number 2, down payment. A down payment of 30% or more will put you in a very good position to get the best rate. Now, it's not required, but it's recommended. 30% or more will put you in a great position. Number three is property type. Understand that a condo, a manufactured home, a multi-family home, they all will require a higher interest rate due to risk. So a single family home will put you in the best position to get a better interest rate. And number 4, the most important, is the market. Another thing you need to understand as a consumer, the market moves dozens of times, if not more, throughout the day. It's important now more than ever that you're working with a professional that understands the market, understands where it's at and where it's moving. As a professional, I use a product called Mortgage Coach. I pay extra for this product, but as a feature of Mortgage Coach, they have a Rate Watch app. First thing I look at in the morning is the Rate Watch app, not Facebook. And what this app does is it tells me what the market did yesterday, what it's currently doing, and what it's trending throughout the day. Greater than that, there's a feature in there that gives me expert economic commentary. So I understand different pieces of information that will come out that will impact the market, and I relay that to you, the consumer. This is helpful information that you need to know. You need to have access to this in today's market. If you're in the process of buying a home or refinancing a home, my contact information is on the screen. I want you to reach out to me. I want to be a resource for you. I want you to come in, we'll sit down and we'll go through a mortgage planning meeting. You'll have clarity and it'll ensure accuracy in regards to the information you're getting in the market. If you found this information valuable, please do me a favor, share it. Like I said, this is behind the scenes information I want everyone to know. Share this on social media, share this with a family member or a coworker or a friend, and I look forward to being a resource for you, okay? Bye for now.